I am in my 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee. This car does come equipped with CarPlay. However, you'd have to plug in a cable in your iPhone in order to activate it. Once you have the cord plugged in, there's really nowhere to put this thing. Driving with my phone plugged in and having to sit in a cup holder is really annoying, and we're going to fix that right now. We are going to plug in this adapter from AutoCast, and it is going to eliminate our need for a cable. Once you plug in the thumb drive, now I'll go into Bluetooth and select the same device. We'll hit pair, allow, connect. There you go. You can get your car set up however you want, and all the features work just as they would if you were plugged in. You've now got CarPlay without the cord, and your center console will be all cleaned up. I'll put a link in the description of where you can pick up yours. And the next time you start up your car, your CarPlay hooks up automatically. Thanks for watching. Check out the description for more information and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos.